Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is Global Domains International. Now, this opportunity right here is totally legit. It's been around since 1999, and here it is 2018. This thing is almost 19. Well, it is 19. I was going to say it's almost 20 years old. It's been around 2 decades. As you can see, thousands of real people in 180 plus countries are earning quiet fortunes from home using the most ingenious automated marketing system ever invented. Now, if you really want a residual income to replace your 9 to 5, this is totally what you want to be in part of or whatever. Uh, I was in it before 2 times, but I was, relying on a kind of a team bill. And this time I'm marketing it myself because I think a lot of team bills, I'm not saying all, but a lot of team bills plant seeds in people's heads, making false promises that they don't got to do anything. Well, you can be waiting months and months for the team bill to get somebody under you in your downline. To me, I would market it totally yourself because, like I say, I just think the team bills make false promises and it plants seeds in people's head, not to market this thing on their own. But global domains is only $10 a month. You get paid 5 levels deep. I was gonna say something. Yeah, you get paid the 15th for every month. You can either get paid by check, PayPal, or bank wire. Uh, and this thing has so many bonuses. Like if you bring in 5 paid signups in a week, you make $100 for every 5. So it just don't you get over 5 and make 100. So if you get 10, that's a $200 bonus. If you get 15, that's a $300. So every 5 you get in a week, that's $100 bonus. And okay, now every sign up you get, it's $10 a month. You're going to get $1 for each person that joins your downline or joins your team or whatnot. So, and they got all kinds of stuff. I hate that I just didn't market it itself the last couple of times I tried it years and years ago. And plus, I wasn't as good as a marketer as I am now. But this thing right here is totally legit. It's the real deal. Now, if you join, that's for, because I know some people are just join and don't talk to the person that they joining. Okay, I'm in the GDI Global Domains back office. Okay, this is the back office, what it looks like. And I want you, if you join and you don't talk to me for some reason, I want you to go right here to documentation and click on that. It's taking a little while to load. I hate when it do this when I'm shooting the video. Okay. Okay, in documentation, you want to read these 2 agreements and policies and sign and return the last 2 pages of this along with the completed and signed W-9 form. Also, you want a copy of your driver's license sent in as well. So the last 2 sheets of this need to be read and signed. A copy of your driver's license and a copy in completed signed form of your W-9. Now, this is the only way that GDI will pay out. Uh, you can either fax or mail this in. You see the fax number right there. And then you can email. You can also scan it and email it as attachments. That's what I done. I done the second one. Or you can mail it by mail to the headquarters in Carlsbad, California. Uh, so if you join, and for some reason, because I know people just join and don't talk to anybody, and sometimes they'll talk to anybody, but sometimes people that sponsors in GDI do not tell people who just came on board to do this. This is very important. So if you join me and I don't talk to you for some reason, or you know, if you just join and you can do it on your own, just remember to do those 4 things right here. So that's enough for that. Okay, I mean, we got everything back here. We got a GDI form. We got banners. This is new right here, the marketing kit. You know, this is put together to help you guys be more successful and get more signups and make more money. Banners. I mean, let's click on marketing kit. You got GDI flyers. You got the tearaway flyer, the windshield flyer. You got the table tent. I mean, you got a Pinterest contest. You got the GD. I already said flyers, but man, I mean, they just keep making it better and better and better. And then, like I say, you know, yeah. Let me go to replicated websites. We got 22 different websites you can use. Some of them in English, some of them in Spanish. Some of them even combination, or you can just leave it like this, and it'll just rotate different sites, all with your affiliate link. Okay, let's go to domains. Right here, you can take whatever link and you go to URL forwarding, and then you can mask your domain name to whatever link you want. So instead of it forwarding to some where you'll see the link up there, a long ugly link, you want to mask it, and make sure you pick a good domain name when you join too. You see mine is monthly.residual.ws. Okay. I mean, we got all kind of bonuses. Like I already talked about the 5 referrals in the week, you get $100. And I mean, like I say, you get 10, 200, on and so forth. I mean, you got a learning bonus, you got duplication bonus, GDI team bonus. So as you recruit more people, my thing to tell anybody, this is one business you want to learn inside and out, and you want to get your downline to do the same thing, because the better you get at bringing people in and the more knowledgeable about every aspect of the business, it's bonus in it for you. So like I say, this thing is a win-win, you know. I mean, once you fill up your matrix, you can be making 3,900 plus a month. What was I gonna say? Yeah, 5 levels deep. And even if you want to make more money, you can join GDI Premium. I mean, that's gonna cost you more a month, but I think it's still 40 a month. I'm not in premium yet because I just got back with GDI. I think it's, yeah, it's still 40 a month. Yeah, it's 40 a month. But yeah, they just making everything better and better. And when I was in GDI 2 times before this, they didn't have a marketing kit. They had bonus like the 5 refer for 100. But all those other bonuses, those when in the affiliate program then. So I mean, this thing, yeah, like I say, if you want something that's legit where you ain't got to question the legitimacy of it, like I say, this thing will be 20 years old next year. And it's only $10 a month, and you can have it bill whatever cards you want to bill it on, your debit card, your PayPal debit, or whatever. But it's $10 every single month, and this is one business you can hammer away, and you ain't gotta wait in the morning time to log into your computer and see that the business is just vanished. This thing is not going anywhere. So you can put your blood, sweat, and tears into this and build you a residual income, With this thing right here, I mean, this thing can pay for your bills every month. I mean, your car phone bill, your cell phone bill, even your house note, utility bill, cable, internet, just whatever kind of bills you got. It's important. You want to be in part. I mean, those businesses where you make money one time, those is good too. But you need one good solid business where you got money that's coming in every single month, no matter what. So, I mean, GDI is just the way to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my link below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that notification bell and get started. It's only $10 a month. And if you got any questions, you just give me an email or whatever. Also, I'm gonna put a link to my blog below that so you can see the other stuff I got going on. And y'all have a good day. Bye.